Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the Gold Coast Gardener, and I wanted to share with you a couple of things today's video. It's a lot of bugs out. Excuse me if I'm shooing them off. But I first would like to thank God for this wonderful day and weekend. I hope all is well in your family. I wish you a good holiday weekend. So let's start right here with the irises. This is what I wanted to show you. The irises are in full bloom and they are showing out. I have purple. I have this gorgeous, it's like almost a burgundy maroon with a yellow. Very nice. And I wanted to show the irises before the lilies take over, but let's go this way. And I have another one I wanted you to see. Look at this yellow and purple. That is my favorite right here. I planted it a couple of years ago, and now it's filling in, so I'm really happy about that. So that's what I wanted you to see. The irises are doing so good. They are showing out. Okay, if you'll follow me out to, woo, it's kind of windy out today. Woo. Oh, it's really picking up. Oh my goodness gracious. I wanted you all to see the fountain. I am so happy to get the fountain up today. I worked hard on, I already put the flowers in, so before the weather changed, because it's been really hot today. But this is a resin fountain. It's not cement fountain. I love it. You can take it apart and take it in if you want, or they say you can leave it out during the winter, but I prefer to take mine in the house. This is my second year having my fountain, and I just put a few flowers in to give it a little color. And so I wanted to share this with you this weekend, and we'll be in the next video sprucing this area up next behind it. But I wanted you to see the fountain, so thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.